So welcome back to the second video on the poster maker app, or you call it poster design. um the first thing we did on this poster maker app was to create from the templates of the already designed ones. So now I'm going to create from the scratch. So I'll click on this create, and if you click on this create, it's going to bring out background first for you to select the kind of background you want to use for your own poster that you're planning to design. So you can select from the range of the backgrounds you have here. You can see some lovely ones here. It all depends on what you want to design. So maybe we'll do some, okay, let's do something on maybe party. So let's select this. This looks like a party background kind of. So it will ask you the size you want. You can move it around to the part you want from it, and just mark it.
You fucking stupid bitch! Are you fucking retarded, you stupid ass bitch?
Don't mind this crazy ad
You put your
ads,
fucking hands on me?
That's how they're making their own money too. So it displays like this. No, I don't think I like this background again, but anyway, this is just for a lecture. Whether I like it or not, I can still continue with it. So once it opens like this, we can decide to select stickers, and from the stickers we have some lovely ones too here. Let's look for something that looks like a party. Okay, I think there are some things that looks like party here. Each the first one there, it's the plate. Okay, let's just click on view all and see everything they got here. And oh, I don't think I'm too cool with it, but I can take this first one though, which looks like the music icon. So you download and you select. I can just bring it anywhere. You see, and I can still come here again and select another thing in the same place. All these ones, they are all technologies. Cartoon. This is sports. I don't think I'll get anything nice in sport that looks like what I need. So I can only get on stickers like this. Let's just pick anything without wasting much of our time. So I can just come and gadgets. Oops, gadget am I picking? If I still don't want to pick anything here, I can just leave it the way it is and add my own image, because I don't think there's anything that suits what I'm looking for. So I can just go straight to images and go straight to my gallery and look for anything that looks like music at all, then upload it here. You can still come here, see if there's anything. I don't think there's any here. Okay, we'll have one Digipassman here. You can still select it, bring it down here. Okay, we can see Digipassman. I can write entertainment under it by clicking on this text. I'll just say entertainment. You can as well change the color of this text. You can change the style. You see this font. If I select on font, you see a lot of fonts under it, and you can just select anyone you think will go well with what you're designing. So I think this one is cool. Then I change the color because this color won't go well with this background we have here. So I can say color here. This is not too bad, but I think something that looks like white. Oh no, this is okay, but if it's not okay by you, you can still change to something that will be visible. So I can drag it to anywhere I want. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look too good. So I can decide to change this font style. Make it a more fancy one. Okay, I think this is cool, but still don't match the color. We should still be color conscious when we're designing. I think this will go with it. The Passman Entertainment, we can see presents. Okay, reduce the size, like I said. So still come back to control, move it up a bit. Okay, so presents. What are we presenting now? Okay. Oh, one night. Okay. So one night. Remind me, it's not organized. Like I didn't plan what I'm writing right now. So whatever thing I write, you should know that it's just for the sake of this lecture. Okay. Oh, let's just say a dance. Or dance competition. Present a dance competition. Or I can say present. Okay, present a dance competition is okay. I beg. So I can still come here and change the font. Click on it, and I look for something bold and catchy. Yeah, I think this is cool. Then let's look for color that will be a little bit catchy. So a dance competition. You can say venue. You can still add more stickers on it or that make it look more beautiful. You can bring an empty something and put your time on it. Just any fine thing that looks like a badge, then you put your time on it. Or you can even put venue on it. Just depends on what you want. So okay, you can decide to select this and put it anywhere. I don't think I like this color. I don't like this color. It's not fine where I am, but this particular thing you can decide to switch it to either direction. You see, if you click on those two things that looks like a right angle, click on it, it faces the side. You click on it again, it faces the other side. So this one is for rotate. You can use it to rotate it. Then this one is for delete. This one is for increase and decrease. Click on this, it deletes. That's it. So you can just say venue. Also venue where it's a venue. Big Apple Hotel. Still remember to change your font, and any font you select, subsequent test carries that font unless you change it. You get it? So you can see so you can select any nice font you think will go well with it. So comes change the color. So as you're moving, the color is changing. So you move it to the one you want. Guess to the one you want, you can leave it there. It's a Big Apple hotel. No, this hotel doesn't look like hotel, so you should still be mindful of whatever test you're using to make sure it doesn't give a different interpretation to your job. So this one gives it another. Oh, sorry, this venue and the stuff you are writing shouldn't be of the same character. You get it? So I'm gonna edit again. So to edit again, you click on your control, you take it to edit. Then I'm removing the venue from this Big Apple. The venue should come on its own heading. So this Big Apple should be here. Let me reduce it a bit. It's too big. So I bring it down. Then I write my venue separately. Come here and say venue. I can use a different font entirely on my venue. So I add, then my venue, I'll change the font to something slanty. Okay, I think it's fine, and I can decide to make my venue red. I just made it red. Remind me, the font I use, I'm supposed to use it because it's a it's a fancy font though, but shouldn't be using this version freely like that. So that's why it's coming with its own advert. So I think this one is even good, this font. So I just click on control, then you come here that you have your alphabet by the right, you have the capital letters, you have the bold. This one that has a capital letter and a small letter, it's telling you that you can change to either uppercase or lowercase. The B is for bold, the U is for underline, and the tiny I that is slanted for the italic. So if I click on this underline, my word, this venue underline, if I click on italic, it bends. Are you seeing it? If I click on the B, it gets bold, and I click on A, everything turns to uppercase. I still click on it, it turns to lowercase. I click on it, it capitalizes my first word. So now I'm still underlining it because it's the venue I want to write. So I can just move it to where I want it to be, which is close to the Big Apple. Drag it down. I can still change the color. I think this color ain't good for it. I can leave it with white. Yeah. Venue Big Apple Hotel. So I can still move this one here and leave it here. I can still say time. Put time by the side. You can see 7 p.m. to dawn. 7 p.m. till dawn. Still come, you change your font style. So I'll need something plain and thick. I think this will go. Change the color again. It's still too big, so I'm still gonna reduce. Then I drag to where I want it to be. You can still add shadow, you can add background to this particular text. I want to add background to the text. Just come select background that I want to add, then I add the opacity to it. So you're watching as I'm adding background. See how it's changing. I think this black one, it's cool for it. You can still reduce the opacity of the text. As this is here, you can see that it's covering this our first icon, but you can still decide to bring this icon to the front. You can still leave it that way, but if I bring it to the front, it's gonna cover the 7. So all I need to do is maybe reduce this 7 p.m. and move it to where I want it to be. Okay, it's already. So like I said, I was talking about things you can do with this part. You can add shadow to your text. You can add shadow to an image you add to this place too. So if I want to add shadow to this dance, you click on shadow and select the color of the shadow I want to appear. So as I'm clicking it, you're seeing shadow coming on close to the dance competition. It's too blur. I can reduce the blur. You see, I just reduced the way it's blur. See, just to increase the blur. So that's for that. For the one you start from the scratch. So this one, just know it's just a rough sample, just to guide us through on things you can do on this photo poster maker. Sorry, on this poster maker app. This is what we started from the scratch. It wasn't planned, that's why it's been designed like this. So this is for it. Thanks, and hope to see you on the next video. So all I need to do now is to save. You already know where you save now. This icon by your right hand, at the top right corner of this of your phone, you just select that thing that looks like download on it, and to just save. See, tell the please wait, and it's saved. Don't mind my ads. Alright, so we're done. To ask if you want to break it or not, just cancel and it's save. So this is it. My work, it's already saved. Alright, so we're done. Thank you.